I marry you today
with this ring,
with this ring,
with all that I am
with all that I am,
and all that I have,
with all that I have,
including my cell phone.
include.
Okay, I'll say it on his behalf, including his cell phone. The cell phone has to be part of the deal.
Alam mo, ikaw, pinapa-high blood mo ako eh. Ha? Boy, tandaan mo to, boy. Kapag nag-asawa ka na, lahat, iso-surrender mo na. Bakit mo naman di pa pagamit yung phone mo? Ka ba? Or may tinatago ka talaga? Nagtatanong talaga ako eh. Bakit ba papahiram ang phone mo? Ano ba nandyan, ha? What if kung sa aming mga girls yan mangyari? Gusto mong hiramin yung phone mo tapos